Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma G3410. I want to show you how to copy documents with this printer. We're going to copy from the panel and also copy with mobile phone. First of all, put the document you want to copy face down. Then from the panel, press plus to increase the number of copies. Press stop to cancel the number. To copy the document, black, press black once. This is the document we copied in black once. If you want to copy it in color, press color once. So this is the document we copied in color. This document, if you want to copy it more than one, you need to press plus to select the number. If you change your mind, select cancel. Let's say if you want to copy 2, press this. We'll show you 2. Then select copy color. This is the document. If you change your mind, select cancel. So these are documents we copied in color. Now I want to show you how to copy two-sided manually. So put the document you want to copy on the glass scanner. Then select copy once. This is the document we copied. Then reload it on the tray with the area you already copied on the back. Then select copy again to copy the front page. So this is the document we copied two-sided in color. Now I want to show you how to copy with mobile phone. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your mobile device are both connected via wireless network or Wi-Fi direct, and also using Canon Print app. This is Canon Print app. Select copy. Then select change settings. Then you select number of copies. If you select number of copies, so you can print up to 20 pages in one go. So, but in this case, we want to print just one. Select one. Then select the paper as A4. The media type, plain paper, zoom, same as original, or fixed zoom. If you select fixed zoom, or same as original. Then print quality. You have standard and draft. Standard is selected. Then you go back. Then you select black or copy to print the document. So select copy, color. Then it will ask you enter password. To get a password, you need to go to the panel and press information button once. It will print out network configuration page that will contain the password that you need. So this is network configuration page. The password, look from the page and you will see default password. So we're going to enter the password. If you like, you can cancel the second page. The information you need is on page 1. So I'm going to enter the password. Once you enter the password, then you select OK. We'll show you, please wait momentarily, and we'll start to copying the document. This is the document we copied from mobile phone, and it will show you completed page 1. Then you select OK. This is the document we copied from mobile device. And once you put the password on the mobile phone once, you don't need to put it again. It will carry on printing the document you want to copy. Depending on the document you want to copy, you can select copy black, for example, and it will proceed straight and copy the document. We'll show you copying. This is the document we copied in black and white, and it will show you completed. Then you select OK. So this is how to copy documents from the panel and also using your mobile phone via Canon Print app. Please do me a favor, like, share and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.